Good morning, guys. I just woke up. This bed is so comfortable that I don't want to get off, so I decided to turn on my camera and just say hello to you guys, just top up the morning to you. I've got a lot that I'm doing today. I'm going to the museum and I want to take you guys with me, but I'm just too lazy to get out of bed. That's just the only thing right now. It's just so comfortable. So guys, we're trying to get a map. We just got into the museum. Crocodile menu. That's cute. Some crocodile there. Carnivores, animals, meat eaters, just eat meat. This one be staring at me in the face like, why are you staring at me, sir? Oh. Hold on a minute. Why is this animal staring at me in the face? Like, genuinely staring at me like meat eaters. They want to eat me. They want to eat me. Let me just go before they eat me, please. Up next, how to move fast. There's some tigers, some kangaroo over there. And yes, they move fast. They move so fast. And they look almost real. They also spent a lot of money trying to get this together. They look so real.
and landings. Floating markets in Thailand exist where record water transport plays an important role in daily life. Sellers need to create lively and colourful displays if they're to entice shoppers to Limbe and Mara.
Y'all, my aim is to give the advice but not stick to it. So guys, we're about leaving the museum now because I think we've seen most of it. We're not going to the last floor because I'm tired. We were supposed to go on our way to go have brunch and we ended up here. So we're going now and I'll see you guys when I see you next, basically. I hope you enjoyed the tour around Scotland's museum. I'll see you guys later. Sorry, I'm talking and I'm walking. I don't want to fall downstairs. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.